So GoPro finally pulled in a profit this quarter. You beat Wall Street estimates. But how can investors be confident that this is a long-term trend given the maturing action camera market?
Well, we're showing a lot of growth internationally, which is terrific. We're up significantly in EMEA and APAC in the fourth quarter. And I'm really excited that we showed consistent results last year. We were running a very predictable business because we returned to a product strategy and a pricing strategy we know very well. So it's great to have that predictability back in the business. And we finished the fourth quarter up 20% in terms of unit sell-through year over year. So that's terrific momentum.
But the new positioning of GoPro is that you're not trying to be relevant to everyone, but super serve that core customer. But how do you continue to monetize that same pool of people?
Well, we haven't reached everybody in the world that can benefit from a GoPro. The strategy you're referring to is customer segmentation and better understanding who in the world has a problem that GoPro can solve for them. And it's funny you call it a new strategy because it's actually our original go-to-market strategy. It's how we built the brand. It's how we built the business, serving very specific customers that would benefit from GoPro. And after going public, we adjusted our strategy a bit and tried to be more relevant to everybody. And it turns out that it's better business for us to better understand the various customer segments specifically and address their needs with specific product and marketing that resonates with them.
So in December, GoPro said it'd be moving U.S.-bound camera production out of China to avoid any potential tariffs. Why did you choose Mexico as a new location?
For several reasons. There's some cost benefits to moving some of our production to Mexico. There's supply chain benefits, and it just makes a lot of sense for many reasons. And while tariffs, the threat of tariffs, we haven't been included on a list, but while the threat of tariffs served as a catalyst to get us thinking about moving production out of China, once we did our homework, it just made a lot of sense on many levels. It's just smart business. So tariffs or no tariffs, we're moving our U.S.-bound production to Guadalajara.
But walk me through how these cost savings work. Without the tariffs, why exactly is it cheaper to be in Mexico versus China?
Because China's getting more expensive to do business in.
Is this something you would have considered without the threat of tariffs?
I think we would have eventually gotten there, but not as quickly as we have.
What other countries were in consideration?
Malaysia was a consideration, but at the end of the day, Mexico's got terrific infrastructure, and for our business in the Americas, it makes a lot of sense. So we decided to move to Mexico. So
camera sales in the Asia-Pacific region have been growing quite significantly, but can you talk about the China demand as a result of some of the macroeconomic headwinds?
China was more challenging last year, but we still managed to grow 2%, which is great. It's a big opportunity for us in China. China is an expensive place to do business, and it's great to see GoPro thriving there. It shows that our go-to-market strategy and global demand for GoPro extends into the Chinese market, so there's obviously a lot of opportunity for us there.
Is that a market you're going to continue to invest and double down in from a marketing perspective?
Yeah, we have sales and marketing offices in China and operations as well. It's an important hub for us.
So several of GoPro's efforts to diversify beyond action cameras have struggled, including the drone business, the media and entertainment one, but the software business seems to be taking off with the Cloud Plus subscription. So what exactly is the roadmap for growing that software revenue?
Well, GoPro serves as a solution for people that want to capture and share experiences. And that starts with the camera, but then we also need to solve for helping people offload their footage, archive it, access it, get more out of it. GoPro Plus offers unlimited cloud storage of photo and video content for our customers. It also offers you break it, we replace it, damage guarantee. GoPros are used during activities that could otherwise, damage other consumer electronics. So we want to guarantee our products for our customers. And we'll be rolling out other features and benefits that excite our customers. And for $4.99 a month, Plus offers a lot of value, and we're seeing strong interest, and we're intending to build on that this year.
And this is an exciting area for investors. You get higher margins on that software side versus the hardware side of the business. So looking out into the future, 3 to 5 years, what proportion of revenue could software subscription services become?
It can have a meaningful impact on our gross margin, that's for sure. We're already starting to see that, which is terrific. We talked a bit about that on the call yesterday. We've got some work to do to drive awareness of Plus. As we've shared previously, awareness of our cloud subscription offering is roughly 20-25% amongst our community. So there's a lot of opportunity there, a lot of work to do. And we've also been doing research to understand what our customers want to see from the Plus subscription. And we rolled out on January 30th unlimited cloud storage and increased discounts at GoPro.com to serve as a bit of a loyalty program for our customers. And we've seen a nice uptick in subscriptions since then. So more planned for this year.